monotonic function. Let's have a nice explanation for this type of a function. Now basically depending on increasing and decreasing, what it is, a function is set, a function fx is said to be a monotonic on an interval open interval. Suppose any of the intervals we are having, either we can take it I or we are taking intervals a comma b. A function fx is said to be a monotonic function on an interval a comma b if it is either increasing or it can be decreasing also, increasing or decreasing on the intervals a comma b. Now this was what basically a monotonic function. Now it can be a function on an open interval a comma b if it is either increasing or a decreasing. Now just more clarity, okay, more clarity for the function. Now explanation again. Now suppose we are having x0, okay, let x0 be a point in the domain of a definition of the increasing or decreasing function, in the domain of a definition of a real valued function, then function is said to be increasing, strictly increasing, decreasing, or strictly decreasing at x0. At x0, if there exists an open interval I, or we can take code a and b, open interval I containing x0 such that the function is increasing, strictly increasing, decreasing, or strictly decreasing. Okay, again I have written a definition. Now what this definition means, let x0 be a point in the domain of a definition of a real valued function, then function is said to be increasing, strictly increasing means it can be any function. It can be a strictly increasing, it can be strictly increasing, it can be decreasing, or it can be a strictly decreasing at x0. Now it should be strictly increasing or decreasing at that particular point x0 which we have taken here. at x0 if there exists an open interval I containing s0 such that now on that particular interval again it should be either increasing or decreasing or strictly increasing or strictly decreasing. Okay, now finally let's move for the definition part. Now it will be very much clear to you that exactly what I want to say. Okay, now a function f is said to be increasing or decreasing at a point, sorry, at a point x0 if there exists an interval. Now what the interval is, if there exists, what the interval is, it is x0 minus h and x0 plus h containing x0 such that fx is increasing or decreasing on the interval x0 minus h and x0 plus h. Now what basically the thing is, now let me explain you. Suppose we are having a number, it is 2, x0 is suppose 2. Now what we are taking, we are having let x0 is equal to 2. Now and h is what? And h is, sorry, h is equal to 1. Okay, h is equal to 1. Then what we can take it now? For x0 minus h and x0 plus h. So x0 is 2, 2 minus 1 and 2 plus 1. It means we are having a new interval 1 comma 3. So our function should be increasing or decreasing on this new interval. Okay, so that is what a nice definition for a monotonic function, and we are going to do these things with the example also.